What up? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Crity React. This comedy video is a very new one, the latest comedy compilation video that you will watch and laugh at loud. Alright guys, without further ado, I want you guys to subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and most importantly, please like this video. Please like this video. Please like my video. Without further ado, okay, let's quickly dive into this comedy video. Let's go.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Legacy Salon and Spa.
I want to barb my hair.
Okay, sir. We also do body massage.
No. I just want barb.
Okay. Payment before service.
Okay.
I love it.
I feel good.
I don't know what you have to do. It's on your eyes. Wow. Are you sure you're not going to go for massage? You this man.
I want to massage. Yes, I go massage.
Okay. How does serve?
Very hard.
Happy ending, no?
Yes, very happy ending.
Okay, so
Very
your money is
happy
150,000
ending,
naira.
No problem.
It's alright.
You don't really have this kind of thing. Like after the massage, you go for very happy ending.
Sir, your pin. Sir.
This is shocking.
Okay, sir.
So can I go now?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
I think it's just a million.
Sorry, sir. She's attending to someone else.
You don't want?
But someone else will attend to you.
Okay, no problem.
Jesus. Hello.
They are actually not.
Let me go massage you.
No, not be waiting I pay for that.
Jesus.
You care.
A few moments later.
Jesus. Hello.
I swear I'll collect back my money. I will collect back my money. Nobody can tell me. I will collect back my money. I'm gradually spending my hair. I need bread, man. I like to have bread. Okay. This hair is very stubborn. Who will help me on what to apply on it? I need somebody to help me what to apply on this stubborn hair. To coil, to roll.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't know it was going to hit you that hard.
Okay,
I'm seriously sorry. What?
Bring that kind of rubbish, baby.
Baby, what are
Why
you?
the stoner? They give you sister. Stoner after stoner.
Just a play now.
Love, now it has not gotten to that.
Man, talk.
Why they try to give sister? That's why they try.
How am I not supposed to go home?
Get out.
Ben!
It's just a play. Do not
Camera,
do
be by
it.
you off that camera. Moto here. Shopofo. How far na kilo shele? Hey, now be this. Ogami, I deal with you. This is a warrant of arrest. Ogami, I deal with you. Calm.
Mr. Man, Shopofo, I be waiting to be your name. Why did you say they go?
Oga, my name na Shopofo Portable. Spider-Man.
Police! I beg, call now.
Spider-Man. Give me a ripusa. Come in, Spider-Man. Give me a ripuyari. Come in, Spider-Man.
Do you know you can easily pay for your bills when you click that link in my bio and you bet on the Aviator games on Wasiudbadguy? With just 100 naira, you can win.
Portable actually ran away when police came for him to arrest him. He refused to pay the full amount of the G-Wagon. So police actually came for him. And he flipped fence like he jumped over a fence, over a gate. There must be a way to look that nyash. He must look it. I said it. No, you have got to
Joseph! Jesus Christ, bro! For more than 6 months now, you don't sleep. Which can sleep inside this? Okay, bro! Let's even carry me for this Lagos. Bro, we come this Lagos to come also no be sleep. Which kind of relationship don't sleep? Get! But the other day, I locked this room because of you, because of this sleep. You carry your pillow and bed. Go, you can even breathe. Go sleep. I don't come out, I don't go for my daily bread. Go see what the food you talk.
Where is Kata? Where has he gone to?
Hello, mommy. Guess what? I just cashed out 32.10 million naira. Yeah! Bro, so you get update and you know if you tell me, bro. God forbid. Me, give you update. You will like sleep. Bro, I don't tell you, for this Lagos, you guys get active. You guys they grind. 2-4 grinding, bro. Now because I get active, don't make I fresh, don't make I stop there this kind of money.
I don't dey active, I beg. Just give me the update if I sleep again. Anything I do for man, I beg, give me the update.
Okay. So there's a friend of mine who introduced me to Okta as the most reliable trading platform for over 3 years now. They are user-friendly and a great tool for making an extra income for everyday life with no hidden charges or fee of commission. They also have a negative balance protection, which means
please, I need somebody to give me what I need.
Also, as I work, I can trade anywhere with the app or with the web version.
He's a very stubborn head.
Click the link in the bio to
lock
Kata AP.
Shikina.
Kata AP has run away. Where is he?
Please, we don't go sleep again.
Now sleeping in the cemetery. He needs deliverance. He needs deliverance. Let's see kill the one.
My son is finally back from China. Eh? After how many years? Let me help you.
Huh?
I don't hear you. He said.
My son is not speaking Chinese. Hey, God, I thank you. It's going to be an. Come, what do you want?
Later that day.
We are not informed.
God have mercy upon us.
It's now from
my son, since you came back, we have not prayed. And I don't know whether you people used to pray in China. Please, just lead us in small praises so that we can pray, my son. Thank you.
You never see elephant. You never see elephant.
You guys how they pray in China. I think so.
My son, I'm sure that since you were in China, you have not had a very good Nigerian jollof rice. That's why I made this one for us to eat.
A fairly weary.
You want to see crazy?
Oh.
Jesus.
I've been tolerating all your China rubbish since you came back here. Now you want to consume my rice. I'm with you spiritually. No problem. Jack and Jill.
Hey guys, win prizes on 1xBet by betting on serial matches. Register with my promo code DK300 to get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Press take part on the offer page in pursuit of Scudetto. Place bet on serial matches and earn points. Then get all the Scudetto for all divisions with your.
I don't know if you guys remember Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went off to the heat to fetch a bowl of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. That name, Jack and Jill, I think he got that name from there. Let's see this one from Natball.
I was cleaning your bag yesterday and I found this.
Wait, no be Tom be that.
It's a condom.
Asa, which place where I dey work?
See.
Make una see. You know, say for that side, we know they use phone pouch. Because if you use phone pouch now, your phone go fall inside water, the phone will spoil. So everybody gets this thing, this condom where you see, all of us wait there for offshore the user. Not only this thing now will they take protect our phone. Asa, this thing is the phone pouch. Wait, Asa, are you insinuating to say me I dey cheat on you?
No, that's not what I'm saying now.
Nah, Asa, I'm bigger than this.
Hasbro and Live 5 and 6.
I was cleaning the room earlier and I found this bra under the bed. This is not my bra. Whose bra is it?
Asa, look am very well. That bra, now your bra. Look am.
It's not my bra. It's not for me. It's not my bra. Chai.
Now I remember. Asa, you remember say Valentine na where I tell you say I won't surprise you. I enter market to make I go buy you bra. Only for me to come buy the bra, come carry and come house. I come begin to check the bra with your normal bra, then with the here. No be the same size. I can't say, chai, I don't fuck up. Now wait till make I can't hide the bra. Say maybe when I go market again, go meet the woman, I go change the bra. You understand? That was very thoughtful of me.
Look at
you. Okay. Thank you. It's a thought that counts.
Yeah. Wait, Asa, what have you been think before? That is say me like this now. Maybe I bring woman to come house. Then maybe me and the woman, they do something. I can't come out the bra, I can't keep.
No. That's not what I'm saying. Babe!
Make you not talk, say, nah, true,
How far are your people?
Hi, guy, man. They say who will find a woman find a good thing. I swear to Almighty God. You see that girl? Anything when you tell that girl go believe. I say even if that girl enter room, see woman on top my body, I go still lie for the girl. Say the woman not on baby. The girl go believe. Jesus. She lie.
Does that make the girl a good girl?
Where do you go, Jerry?
Asa,
what's up?
Hey, you're back. Welcome.
Asa. What in vibrator they do for your hand?
Vibrator, okay. That's a lighter.
Okay. Asa, on the lighter.
I want to see Remeji.
I think the gas has finished.
Take back time.
Asa, since which day will lighter begin to sound like lip?
I don't know. When I bought it, it was lighter.
Oh!
Babe, please help me with my phone.
That's what I'm saying. It's at its side. 1-1.
Asa, you won't go school. Waiting condom they do inside your bag.
Babe, have you forgotten? It's phone pouch.
If you do me, I do you. Man, no go best up on the dance floor. Man, no go best such.
Asa, I beg you in the name of God, make we not use this phone pouch again.
Oh. When you were doing okay, say so many things like with the pouch, to this, to that, you forgot to. That's actually met his man.
Shebi na you mentor me make I go do show.
Yeah.
I did my own they do skit. You tell me say I get stand-up potentials. Make I go do show. Make I think outside the box.
Yes.
She that website they do show for Abuja May 25th for Transcorp Hilton. You say make I think big, so I choose Transcorp Hilton.
Yeah.
You say sponsors go they rush me if I do show for Abuja. Sponsors go they rush me.
But that was Lagos I was talking of.
That was Lagos.
Yeah.
Okay, now me go do Strongest, go do Abuja. Okay, but you say sponsors go they rush me, so why they never rush me?
Now Lagos market, I know.
Okay, now Lagos market.
Yeah.
Okay, now me go do Strongest, do Abuja. You never do show for Abuja. No wahala. So why you that? Okay, you said your belt.
My belt.
Oh, yeah,
okay, now your belt.
now.
Not be your belt, you.
No, my belt.
I want to wear my belt.
You want to wear your belt? After you advise me finish, you want to wear a belt?
You don't wear your own.
And I want to wear my own.
No, we feel wear each other.
No wahala.
No, come now.
No,
come.
no worry yourself.
Abuja May 25th.
No worry yourself.
We there for you now. I never do Abuja, you want to do Abuja.
You tell me say you never do Abuja.
You ask me whether I don't do Abuja.
You're not supposed to be proactive as a mentor.
You're not supposed to be proactive as a mentee.
As a mentor.
No, come now.
No worry yourself.
Wait, what is he trying to do? To flog Bobby or what? I don't think Bobby went there with his bed. That was how he's going to flog Bobby.
So like, this one. That's unfair. Okay. This man. Yeah!
Those somebody.
70 years old man.
Watch my back, and I'll watch your back. Jesus. Hey!
May God not let them make it kill you.
Yeah! Look, my mates they fight too. Thank God say I escaped this one.
Jesus!
Jesus!
One more thing, go see this guy come. Where's our voice? I shoot.
Not be juju be that.
I love that guy, I swear.
Timmy, don't be your baby that.
You forgot this is not easy. No. Portable Sar should sew a Spider-Man costume for him, that's why.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I won't be able to see you this week. I'll be very busy.
Come is Spider-Man.
True. Wow! What are you going to do now?
Bro, don't tell me you break up with this girl. You know the year word. I don't tell you this thing before.
Wait till they want this one. Who will be this one? I'm up on road.
But you're hungry, don't forget your chicken. The next day.
Babe, please, I want you back.
Oh,
Hey! Since that time, is that you're coming?
Baby, who is that?
It's my ex. Very handsome boy, eh? Chai!
It's your best friend.
He shock you!
Hey!
Idiot.
Buy perfume, smell nice.
Now they have left you all
What
alone.
happened to Roland? You killed her by armpit suffocation. What?
Does it smell that bad?
Yeah, Papa. How do you even use Roland without bathing? Stop shutting me up. You killed my fiancée with the stinking heat of your armpit after she pleaded with you to take your bath before using her. How dare you? That night you came back smelly, sweaty and stressed. How do you even use Roland to hide body odor? No, tell me. I don't even understand what I smell anymore.
Bro, stop tapping. I took my bath in the morning. Besides, African men don't smell.
Every moment of the day, my bald head is inside your armpit, trying to correct odor. Trying to correct odor. Back upon you say no. What do I smell like? Because I don't understand my function anymore. Please, which fragrance am I? Have mercy on me. Help! Somebody help!
Enter there. Smell.
Why is suffocating the poor innocent child?
And that was how you used my fiancé forcefully.
Which one is that? I don't beat. What I beat?
Fiancé. You killed its fiancé. And you want to kill it.
I'm running late. I just click on what's my leg now.
Go back.
Which one to go back? I don't wash armpit.
Your armpit smells onions, bro.
Which one be onions?
Armpit mad Ganesh giri.
God, which one be ogiri?
Go back.
My armpit where they smell now, bro.
Go
Don't
back.
smell. Bro, I beg,
You're not
I beg
going to
now.
catch me. You're not going to see me at all.
My guy, I
I
beg,
thought
I
you had
beg,
caught
I
it.
beg.
If now you go let her use you, they're not pursuing it outside. I've run away out of your house.
300% bonus on your first deposit once you use my promo code EXPLOIT300 and something called Top Beans, whereby you place an accumulator bet, which includes 10 events and 9.
He actually ran away from the house because I don't want wahala. This one you can't even bet yourself before you use them. How can you go long without bet?
Talkless. Welcome to my humble abode.
So na island you dey stay.
Yes, so I stay in Ikoyi.
So imagine I no see you yesterday now. I no go know say you dey this Lagos.
Okay. I stay in Ikoyi.
For how long you don dey this island like this?
I've been on the island for like 8 years.
You don dey this island for 8 years.
Yes, now.
You dey hot o. All these girls for our secondary school of na dey hot.
Where's the other?
Sophia don go Dubai now.
Who plays?
Yeah, I think somebody posted it, but I'm not following her on social media, so I don't know what's.
He don go Dubai say. See Folake say na Lekki she dey steal.
And you know me, I'm in Ikoyi now.
That one say it. Omo, but our boys na go help us.
Why? What's happened?
I see our head boy last 2 weeks. I shake my head.
Tunji.
Aje.
What happened to him?
So you don't start mechanic work for Ijebu-Ode o.
He shock you.
Ijebu-Ode mechanic. He would have moved to Lagos. No, I would have given him, my Benz, my BMW to fix.
Wait, forget about it first. But wait, all this na BMW, all this na car na dey go. Abeg, una help me now.
Okay. Talkless, you are fresh
think
now.
they are
Look at
best of
you,
friends.
glowing and I like this look on you.
Who sees them and will think they are
Wetin dey
dirty?
do? I say make you help me dey talk say I fresh, I glow. Wetin dey talk?
Shut up.
There's no help anywhere.
Madam, this is why I come here. Aje, you go help me today. You need to help.
Who, please?
Please, excuse me.
Oh, it's not your husband.
What happened? You're not traveling again?
Don't mind them, they delayed the flight. Well, I'll be taking the next flight tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Who is this young man?
God, I'm a really young man.
Because I told you I'm traveling. You have the mind of bringing a man into this house.
Jesus. That did not be so. That you don't forget my face.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I've been picking best friend that year for secondary school.
Are you playing?
Social face.
Wait till you want this one.
That don't remember me again.
Shut up, Joe.
Huh?
I didn't true. I didn't talk myself now. Your papa know like this.
Are you mad?
Man, no. I won't add more salt.
No.
No. It's my boyfriend.
Boy, give me.
Is everything to me?
What's going on here?
Daddy, I beg me too.
Help me. I came here for help.
I want problems always.
Peller and guy, let's go.
Who gives you address of my house?
At least calm down now. Address me where?
You will not dress well.
I just want to congratulate you based on your new car.
No, congratulate me.
Okay, I want to wish you based on your birthday.
No, wish me.
Your wish is my command.
I command you to get out of here.
Give me 1 minute, make you stay here now.
To give you 1 minute to spend. If anything lost here, you will be consented for 10. You will wait.
Peller is a kind of good man.
Who gave you that shit?
It is working.
God have mercy upon us.
I want Peller to me. Why I'm copying you?
Invest until lost supermarket. No live fear. We will get it. No live fear. I will meet you there. Okay?
Now why you now coffee me?
Better there.
Open the door now.
I carry key. Come. Hey, give me 1 second. 1 second.
Wait, is the girl taking Peller out or Peller is not taking her out?
Shake his head. I beg you.
You never see him.
Jump to your I think we want to not kill our way. My name is come on the jam. Dissolve. Lo Santilli. Why no have coming time? What to get Motell or Lenin?
Ele queria te jequiria fua.
Jesus. Dissolve. No, what I'm thinking. No. That
guy is a king of criminal. Him that was inside. How come he stole car from outside? Even put down and come on the jail. You are very thoughtful. Let's see this up, brother. So I hope it's going to make you laugh out loud. Let's go, guys.
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Bribery and corruption, I swear to God. This is confirmed bribery and corruption.
Bro, don't worry, it's fine, it's okay.
You think it's a joke?
He's even dumb. And he gave, I didn't think you would have just left him.
Bro, you go pin down. Meu mãe, tô grande. Yes, na, because my mama say,
As a man, after urinating, if you like, shake it from now till tomorrow. The last drop of the urine is for the boxers. Yes, da. Even if you like, shake it like jingle bell. The bell will not jingle. What does that tell you? To chase away poverty, you have to purchase. So purchase our ticket September 22nd, Aboli Laugh Now, Cry Later. Life in Lagos. The ticket is in the bio. Bio. The curious.
The ticket is in the buy, yo. I will buy. This one I've seen a good girl. Angel from heaven. Today I must go to this girl and she must greet. Let's see, shall.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
What? Were you following me?
Let's have it.
Jesus Christ. You stupid boy, do I look in your class? Don't sit over me. Can you afford me? Don't try that again. Jesus Christ. Stupid, irritating broke boys.
If sufferness is too small, if sufferness
cucumber that they have used,
we turn
you are eating cucumber that they have used and you're even enjoying it. Free meat for me. Nicky donut. The guy don't even care. He's enjoying it, I swear.
Which kind of life be this safe? A whole me wey finish with first class. Now in life they show first class shake. A maker will be dollar for school. Yes. Now him now dollar they waste in hand. She be now him now they build house for junction. And they cover book one for example. I say yesterday they cover my face. In shape.
Poverty sat me down on a Saturday morning one-on-one and told me,
is that why you want to do this?
Make I take this one. At least you take me go the other side of life. As I know if they take all this insult.
Are you telling me the truth? What up, what? Woman, no.
We have already taken it.
Where they run, they go this man.
Chama,
She ain't no Emeka. And Emeka will be there for junction now.
Okay. That guy a ritualist. They catch her with 3 body when don't pine for back of his boot when one day the ritual.
Oh, come. See this guy a ritualist. Anything is short down close, they spend money anyhow.
What's it with that?
Jesus! Tupac! Michael Jackson!
China eyes, they pay me.
No wonder. That is why in life you don't know anybody's
small stuff.
Hey,
where you into? My daughter has a spiritual husband. Anytime she sleeps, his spiritual husband come in her dream and make love to her. So I want to go and call my pastor to come and cast off that devil in her.
You call me. You don't need pastor now.
What do you mean?
The easiest way to cast out the spiritual husband, tell your daughters anytime when they sleep, if the man come, make it ask her for money.
But what does that have to do with this one now?
Small start. Not be Nigerian spiritual husband. Bilam. He go run. Do you know you can win Apple laptops, PlayStation, Apple watches, and Apple AirPods on OneXBet only for betting on Serie A matches? Now this is how you win. Register my promo code Mazi and you get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Go to the offer page, click the offer in pursuit of the Chinedu.
Mazi, look how fresh you are. This guy is actually fresh, and he looks very young here. Unlike his normal comedy where he looks old, taking the role of an elderly man. Hope guys you are watching and enjoying this comedy. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon. Let's see a rap.
Abim, Oga, bring that hammer. Come know this thing for me. Wait, you don't chop beans today?
Don't try it.
No, why you call it smell beans?
I don't know why.
I know this thing for me.
Abino. Oh.
Jesus!
Have you been losing your bets? Lose no more. Have you heard about fixed perfect hold? These people they predict, give us short tips, bet tips.
You know you are an albino, you can't even see, and you allow an apprentice albino in your store.
Teasing and teasing, I'm sitting on it.
You have problem, I swear. You know, this comment is actually trying to teach us something, like expose girls' attitude. Expose those girls that has Oloju Kokoro. Let's see how it is.
Last night and he told me that is.
You see? Can you see?
Ha! Oh, Billy!
Hold up. Wait a minute.
When I was ordering God have swallow, you didn't order swallow. You order fried rice and chicken. I am eating my swallow now in peace. You are envying me.
The time when you buy and you close eye. The time when you buy, you know they should better.
You collected my swallow and my meat. You give me your meat and your rice. Oh wait. What will you do? I will not try it. I will not take it. I will collect my meat.
Now inside
fire,
them put us to.
Steve, for how long person want to do this thing, eh? Now so person go take make money with this. I don't tire. Now
my guy, what else do you want to do again? I be you won't call it thief. I will only also be this now. Not just there. That reminds me. Remember say after the payoffs for today work, you guys use and go buy that phone.
Wait till they want this one. Who will be this one?
See, my person chop they take this so. For me, I will carry my money go chop belle food.
Oh, I thought we talked about this now. Eh?
Oh, I concern you.
Sir? No rush, hope day.
Sir, they come home.
Step one, no man.
Wait for that go and walk. Many years later, guys.
Now the third block where they break, so if you break another block, now you get problem.
Huh? This was still working under him.
Say the eyes, they pay me and they waiting me this.
Steve! Now you are engineer now.
You don't see him. Oh! Now you pack our son.
Steve is not fair. Don't make him leave me.
I told you, take risk. When I told you to take risk, did you take? I took risk and I'm successful.
They gave you updates.
Come.
They're shouting updates. You've seen updates.
See, I don't really like problems. Just go back. The guy will pay me for this work. Tell me say he wants to see this work finish tomorrow. Go continue your sound, I beg.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Nobody won't tell me, Hannah.
I am not working.
Please don't break buckets, not the bucket that is touching your Hey! What's going on? How come you suddenly got broke?
Where is that boy they tell to me?
Life has turned, dude.
Sir.
Yeah.
You there, man?
Oh, you didn't
back
do
here.
it.
And the Augustine, are you mad? Is that why I'm paying you to be sleeping up and down? I've been at this gate honey for the past 1 hour. Is that why I paid you? Eh?
But you should have shown mercy as your friend. As your friend.
What is the meaning
People are
of this?
wicked, sha.
Life no be Nollywood though.
No be Nollywood.
Yes, what else is standing there?
Sorry, I'm coming.
But the guy should have happy. Work hard because no one owes you anything.
Where my money?
Come on, by 12 o'clock tomorrow, you go see your money. I put my blood on this pee.
You dey hear that? Number one. If I come here tomorrow, I no see my money.
Okay.
I will. Yeah. Yes. I don't get that your money. I beg money. I don't see where you did.
Chapali bring the money for me, make I use them invest.
I hope say no big boy you want invest on. Because see, if you invest your money on buying property from a luxury crime, they get better apartments for Lagos, Abuja, in case you travel all this place if you want rest. And again,
You have not sort out yourself and you're giving updates. And this girl that is peeping you, looking you, staring at you, end up,
bring my money.
I go send your money, give you.
Now you come there like this.
No sé qué pasó. Que no con.
You have.
Omo, that's why I enter here.
Go there, you dey crazy. What's the worry you? Chamo, this guy.
When she dragged me inside her house, you didn't ask questions. You bent and be.
selling out mess. Yeah, I told you this year is year of promotion. Can't you see my new Lacosta combos? I told you, even these boys, when I come to US.
You tear the Miko. Me also make me contest on small boys that outside the terrorists. Small children. Then they terrorists. Phone with me now.
My love, Call of Duty, I will call you back. Mwah. Now let's go. Take me there. Make I go there. This thing. Everybody. Now let's go.
And I'm small boys, so one carry pistol, I never just say they walk there. So one carry AK-47, 5 pieces.
No.
When the third one, now you are small for street though. Osakala Junior brother. That one carry pump passion when be I never know whether they walk there.
Just more boys that will go. You are joking.
Small boys would go now. So send me shall never come. If you don't go then they carry me go then they fire.
You are joking. You know who is Aboki, and you went ahead to
oh my God, wow. He's playing. He's massive. Really massive. Really massive.
Oh, John is so fast.
Guy, no reason. You know if you do anything. No babe for this life. We man no fit toast. No be to give her wordings. Yeah, waiting this at the talk. Close your eyes. I feel bet anything for this life. You don't follow that. Just leave long talk. If you follow our talk, go be time. Oh yeah, go. I go. Go. I feel bet anything. I go. Go. Let me see.
I'm fit to go. Let's go. Let's hear what the girl will tell him. I don't know what will happen though.
Well, hello. Hi. I lost something.
What's that?
My number. Can I have yours?
Oh.
It's a pickup line I picked up somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on a serious note though, can I have your number?
He shot you! My number.
Yeah, I mean.
Hi.
Don't you? Okay, hello. Sorry, can I have you?
Is this not set up? Is this not set up?
Okay, my name. Yes, I know it. Okay, so my name,
we're just going to toast a lady. Push a lady.
If you're not in a hurry, can you come with me?
And all of a sudden, the lady is just dragging you.
No, like, so what I'm with my friend?
I want you. I will not enter the car. If I was born, I won't enter. If I were him, I swear.
Jesus.
Don't know if she's a ritualist or she wants to.
5 years of madness.
Shay. What? Help me!
I don't even know where they are going, and he lively loves it. He loves where it's going, and he don't even have an idea about where it's going. Let's see this one, from Dave Wink and Iwundu.
Where they go with speaker? I won't go toilet. Now you dey carry speaker. What happen? I beg because speaker they go. Go shit.
Are you going with speaker or you want to be messed? Cheating at move. This is the reason why he needs speaker. So no one will hear it. No one will hear his noise of boom.
Dave! What be that? I better collect.
What if it is? What if
it that one?
You need that pass.
Jesus.
You need that.
You shock me, Jesus. Listen again. Guy, I swear to God.
They don't love you. They are using your hand, using our wife.
Babe, I love you so much. Matter of fact, you're the first girl I'm bringing into this house. Should you heard my friends what they were saying?
Don't know.
Now 400k be this one.
Photo.
I don't understand what is 400k.
You see all those comments when I do. You don't cash. You go do abi, you no go do short time 50k. You go do.
He actually got the memo. He caught you, man.
Which bank?
At the end of the day, you knock out, you are using girlfriend and boyfriend to cover up without paying. Nonsense. Let's see this one from Sembelity. How is it going to go, man?
Hello, babe.
I forgot my pants.
Your pants? Where?
No, it's beside the bed.
Beside the bed.
Is it there?
Yes,
oh, this, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And they know what
Keep
they're
it for
doing.
me when next I come, I'll pick it up, okay?
Alright. Love you.
This guy has a lot of them inside her life.
Jesus!
No one is calling them. Everyone
You gotta
come
trust
forget.
man. Jesus! Adam!
Lot of things. Yes.
Just where you did now. You never see Suba.
Even expecting another one. That one we could forget another thing. And that place.
Everybody don't crazy.
On school today just dey stressful. Wetin happen now? See the time we dey come back from class now.
That sister that doesn't look older.
I'm tired, so tired. Wait, why the house dey hot now? Guy, on AC now.
Lanky, you're back.
I'm back.
Who is this? Is he your friend?
Yeah, my friend.
Oh.
Yes. Same department, same course, same.
What's your name?
Joseph. Jojo is okay. You are. Sorry.
This one.
So sorry, no vex, no be say normal.
Lanky, you said he's your friend.
Yes, I'm my friend.
So is this how you people used to do? Just stand up and want to shake somebody.
No, it's not like that.
Stress from the sun.
No stress, cause I'm just friendly, oh.
Yes, you're friendly.
I swear, I'm very friendly. Ask like people in school, they know, everybody know that.
That's nice. You're good looking.
Don't talk. She's my elder sister.
You're fine. I like your face cap and your t-shirt. Alright, you guys should take care of yourself, okay?
Thank you.
Bye.
Guy. She said I'm good looking.
Now shawo.
Now your elder sister. Now your elder sister be that. Why she no resemble your elder sister?
Oh, we wanted to toast her before.
Guy, why you know quickly?
She's the
Why
last
you know
born.
quickly tell me say
Never knew she's the older one.
I'm my elder sister. Oh, my elder sister. No, my elder
Eh,
sister.
but you know say Osapolo wey been there our school that year wey
Show me
dem wey dem
Osapolo.
push. You know say he later date him elder sister, guy elder sister.
That all this is na rumor.
Your sister
No,
go
my
see you.
she's married, bro. She get 2 pikin. And she senior 2.
Some be say she get 2
She
pikin.
senior 2 people before me. Man, she senior me.
She senior 2 men.
Before me, bro. Yes, no.
Come, Lucky, you don't go wash that plate, Abby.
Guy, see, they don't define me for house.
Oh, now you know.
They don't define me for house, guy.
Now you know.
Be very, very. See, make I tell you something. Make I tell you. See that assignment we say we go do tomorrow. No, just worry. You go
Bro, you
fail.
never reach like that now.
I swear,
What did he do?
Ajay, you go fail that course.
What did he do?
You feel kill person. You wicked.
Bro, chill now.
You don't see
Bro,
Mary.
you have
I
this.
You don't fear.
Bro.
That laugh is just annoying. It's very annoying, honestly. It's very annoying, I swear to God. Alright guys, thank you for watching this comedy video and I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, what is your favorite moment in this comedy video? Please, before I forget, make sure you subscribe. Do not watch and go. Kindly subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also like this video. Please like this video. Please like this video. If you watch it, you like it. If everybody that watches this video actually like it, we'll be having 2,000 likes, we'll be having 3,000 likes, we'll be having 6,000 likes, because sometimes I get 6,000 views and sometimes I get 2,000 views, sometimes I get 2,500 views. So if all these people do like my videos, like, I think I'll be having enough views for YouTube to promote this content, honestly. But you guys don't like videos. Few of you will like video, and those people that don't like the video are the ones that laugh. Oh, those are the people that laugh very hard. At the end of the day, they won't even want to like this video. That is for that. So guys, what is your favorite moment? I'll be doing some review concerning some favorite concerning some very funny scene on this comedy video. Like the most funny scene in this video, like I can't really point out the most funny scene in this video. Please, I would like you guys to list it in the comment box below. What or which video is the most funny in this comedy compilation? So guys, let's hit the comments. Let's start making it popping like crazy, guys. All right, guys, let me say number one comedy is that slim black, yeah, slim black guy, you know, that always goes with his jalabia, I mean jalavier, something like that. So, you know, you went to a spa shop, you know, to a spa store. You want to like do some massage, you know, arrange yourself now, maybe after a long walk during the day or after a long stress, all this kind of thing. Just want to relax, and these people are willing to do anything you want, you know, bob your hair, do anything, like give you render their best service to your satisfaction. But at the end of the day, you went there to request for, what did he go there to request for? I can't really remember. But after seeing a lady, like this guy changed his mind, saying that I am going for massage, I am going for massage, and even went for the severe massage, like add massage, and even added happy ending to it. That was crazy, guys. And at the end of the day, the girl was busy with somebody, you know, busy massaging somebody. She was already rendering service to another customer. So the only person available to render service to him is a guy. So he said, I don't want this guy. They should have like, okay, wait for this girl to come and render your service. But the guy just forcefully picked him up and took him straight to the room and give him the best massage of his life. At the end of the day, he came out with a broken arms. Like, it looks like all those chicken when they hang, they fry, all those kind of thing. I think I love that comedy. That comedy is actually hilarious. I find it hilarious. And also, Brainjotter, let's go, man. Brainjotter actually did a massive one, though. He was just actually trying to promote his show coming up on the 25th of May, but in a comic way. And I think so I decided to count it as one of my comedy compilation videos. So I added it, though it's a means of promotion, but I added it, you know, understand, because it is hilarious, and it is hilarious, you know, and you laugh. So Bovie advised him to stop doing shows in very local places. He should start bringing his show down to Abuja and down to Lagos, all those big states. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, this guy could not, maybe he could not raise money to do it, or the people didn't come, something like that. And he actually said, no, but this guy advised me. I am going to him. I am going to him. He will tell me why he advised me this bad advice. When he got there, decided to use bet on him and decided, and Bovie was is a very bad guy, already planning for that day. Like he came prepared. He was going out with his bet. He know Brainjotter will actually come for him, meaning he gave him a very bad advice. For him to be prepared for Brainjotter coming, that means he knew what he gave him, that it was a bad advice, you see. So at the end of the day, Brainjotter was like, I didn't mean Bovie didn't owe bet. He's back for finish. I swear. But so lucky for him, he was going out with his bet, and Brainjotter actually withdrew back, because he knew that if you flog me one, I'll flog you one. You both are men, no? So I love that comedy, and it's actually hilarious. It's actually hilarious. It's actually hilarious. So what is your favorite scene? I'm here listing my favorite scene. I'm making review of this comedy compilation videos. You know, some people really do not understand most of these comedy videos. They don't understand. They'll just watch it and without laughing. But I think doing this will make a lot of you out there to say, oh, okay, now waiting happen for this part. Wow, and we start laughing. All those kind of things. You know what I'm talking about? All right, guys, see what I'm talking about this Aton Hume. You know, Aton Hume is a very fine comedian. A very nice, and you know, his comedy is way beyond comedy. Yes, his comedy is way beyond comedy. It's not an ordinary comedy. It's a comedy that will actually make you crack your brain. Like it's like a puzzle. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a puzzle. So if you don't have this sharp brain, this fast thinking brain, man, you won't able to like recognize what this guy is actually trying to demonstrate, actually trying to pass to everyone out there. You know. So in this comedy, I know this one is very simple, but a lot of people have been asking questions that what does this guy take? because his comedy is somehow tricky. You need to think deep before you understand it. But this one is a very simple comedy, and it's for everyone. It's a very simple comedy, even to a layman. A layman will understand what this guy is actually trying to act here. So the girl actually trying to the girl was going out, and this guy was actually trying to peep to see her nyash. And the girl was actually preventing it, like, nobody will see my nyash today. Nobody. It can never be me. But at the end of the day, Uncle Atonume play a very smart one on him, but he caught Atonume with a very big pride. Pa, 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 on his head. Pa, pa. But the one he could not notice was when Atonume decided to vanish through the wall. Like, and he got the best view of his life. Like, oh, see view, see me, see nyash, my eyes. Yeah, the girl didn't even know. The girl didn't even know. And I think Atonume must actually win because he's the actor in the comedy. Actor no dey die for film, guys. Alright, guys, without further ado, thank you for watching this comedy video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you have other funny scene in this comedy compilation, hit it in the comment box. So we're gonna appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, like this video. Alright, guys, we're gonna be calling it a day as we go. Have a wonderful time and expect more banger for Crity React. Peace out.